Yes, good morning, class.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So, I'm Joel, a teacher of chemistry. So today, we are going to learn chemistry. I know we have learned so many things, Form 1, Form 2. So now we are in Form 3, and chemistry, it is being divided in partitions. At a certain level, you learn some things as the time advances. But for today, I want us just to look on the topic, nitrogen and its compound. As you know that nitrogen is one of a gas that's found in the atmosphere. Are we together?
Yes.
And apart from nitrogen, also we have gases like we have oxygen, which constitute 21%, right?
Yes.
Then also we have argon. We have also inert gases. Those I think are inert gases. Then we have nitrogen. So nitrogen has a higher composition in the atmosphere compared to oxygen, compared to argon, compared to inert, and compared to carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. So as a learner, there are some expectations that we need you to capture at the end of the lesson. Are we together?
Yes.
That's why we have some important topical objectives. Important topical objectives. So the first topical objectives after the lesson, a learner must know how to describe, how to isolate nitrogen from air. You know nitrogen is found in the air. So there's a way you can extract it from air altogether because it is a composition. It's being inside other gases. So there's a way we can extract it from air. Are we together?
Yes.
That's the first objective. And then the second objective, you have to describe how nitrogen is prepared in the lab and state the properties. You know, gases have properties, right?
Yes.
Nitrogen has properties. So, a learner, you have to describe how nitrogen is prepared. Are we together?
Yes.
That's the second objective. No, we have talked of the preparation in the lab and then the properties of nitrogen. So let us look at this is an illustration that shows how nitrogen is being extracted from the atmosphere. Are we together?
Yes.
So this is the illustration. This is water this is an inlet that allows water to inside the aspirator. And then here we have the concentrated potassium hydroxide solution. I think my students, you know these things.
Yes.
Purpose of concentrated potassium hydroxide solution. So that's the purpose of concentrated and dilute.
The difference between concentrated and dilute.
Concentrated and dilute.
I think
Yes, Moses.
concentrated.
Yes.
I think it is that solution with more hydrogen. Okay. What was the record? I think concentration.
Yes.
The concentrated is the one that with more hydrogen molecule.
Yes.
Then dilute. See dilute. You're talking about dilute.
Yeah, dilute. Concentrated and dilute.
Yeah. Then dilute has less hydrogen molecule.
Yeah, I think that is it. That's the sort of the thing. And then also, as you look at the diagram well, are we together?
Yes.
As you look at the diagram well, this is a collection. You know, this is an aspirator. Are we together? It has water inside it. Then this is also another chamber. It has two outlets. The first, this is an inlet, then the outlet. So this one, it allows the gas that has been dried here to come here. Are we together? It allows the gas that is inside here to come here to be dried by the concentrated potassium hydroxide solution. After being dried now, the gases pass through the tube. Are we together?
Yes.
Then here we have this is a copper. This is a copper. We have copper. We have copper here. The purpose of this is just we heat copper. The purpose we have here heat. Are we together? Here heat. So after heating copper, it generates some energy. That's the purpose of heating this. You know, nitrogen is very stable. And you know that nitrogen, it has three, are we together?
Yes.
So it's too stable. For it to react now, for it to be collected in a solution way or in a preferred way, it's being heated. After being heated here, it is collected now under the process that's called, this process is called.
Yes.
So we have what is called upward delivery. You deliver upwards. Are we together?
Yes.
Or downward displacement of air. Right?
Yes.
Then we have downward delivery or upward or downward displacement of air.
Upward
You're getting
displacement
it.
of air. We're
So
getting you.
first we have upward displacement of
Air.
air. Upward
Displacement of air.
displacement of air.
Air.
So you displace the air upwards.
Upward.
It's also called downward delivery. You deliver downwards or downward what? Downward delivery. Right?
Yes.
Then also we have what's called now downward displacement of. This is the upward delivery. This upward
Displacement of air.
Then we have downward displacement.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Downward displacement. Downward displacement. Now, it is also called the opposite now of this one.
Upward delivery.
This is upward displacement.
Yes. Now
Or
the downward delivery.
downward delivery. Right? Now, upper, we have downward displacement.
Now it's upward delivery.
Or upward
Delivery.
delivery. You're getting it?
Yes.
Or upward delivery. So these are simple things that you need to be having them on your fingertips, right?
Yes.
And then also we have another method which is called overwater method.
Overwater method.
Overwater method. And this overwater method is used to collect gases that are less or slightly soluble in water. Right?
Yes.
Less or slightly soluble in water. Gases like we have nitrogen. Also, we can get oxygen here. Are we together?
Yes.
Now, for the purpose of upward displacement of downward delivery, it's used for collection of gases that are characteristics of those gases.
Those gas with less density. Yeah.
Yeah, that is it. Actually, we talk of they are less denser. Yeah, that is it. So back to our discussion now. So we are here. We have talked about the function of peace,
Copper.
copper. Then we have an
Method of collecting.
method of collection. Are we together?
Yes.
Any question up to there?
I think we are okay.
No question?
You have understood.
You have understood?
Yes.
And then also